Good morning, children. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Do you remember that song? Today, I'm going to read you a book about farm animals. The title of this book is Farm Animals. Let's see what is inside. Here is a pen. Who lives here and play in the mud? The pig. Oink, 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 oink. Do you think that the pig likes to play in the mud? Here are some eggs. Where do they come from? The hen. Here is a pack dog. Who runs here? The horse. Ee, ee. Here is some milk. Where does it come from? The cow. Moo, moo. Do you remember where the meals came from? Here is a kennel. Who sleep in it? The dog. Woof, 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 woof. Do you think that the dog likes to live in the farm? Here is some wool. Where does it come from? The sheep. Ba, ba. Alright. This is the story I read you today about farm animals. I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye bye. See you later.